Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're taking a ride across the Pensacola Bay Bridge, which is soon to be replaced by a newer, higher structure. We begin in Gulf Breeze, headed west on US Highway 98 onto the bridge. The construction is visible to the left side of the existing bridge. The current bridge, which is dedicated to Senator Philip D. Beale Sr., opened to traffic on October 31, 1960, at which time it replaced the Thomas A. Johnson Bridge, a narrow two-lane facility that ran parallel just to the east. This original bridge, which had been in service since June 13, 1931, was tolled and signed as Toll US-98 until the bridge bonds were paid off. The decommissioned original bridge served as two 1.5-mile long fishing piers until they were largely destroyed by Hurricane Ivan in 2004. By 2007, the remainder of the northernmost fishing pier was demolished, and the southernmost part of the pier has since been demolished. In 2010, construction was completed on a northern replacement fishing pier about half as long as the original pier. This new pier will be visible on the right as we approach the Pensacola side of the bay. Now we'll turn around and head back east, and by east we really mean south-southeast on a compass, to Gulf Shores. On the way back, the new bridge's construction is more clearly visible on the right-hand side. Florida DOT announced in January of 2010, near the end of this bridge's 50-year design life, that the bridge was structurally deficient and would have to be replaced within 6 years. In 2011, a study was underway to determine the feasibility, location, and conceptual design of a replacement bridge. In February of 2013, plans began to replace the bridge, with construction beginning within 2 years at a cost of $595.6 million, on a course slightly to the west of the existing bridge. The new bridge, like the current one, will not charge a toll. Construction of the new bridge is now well underway and is expected to be completed in summer of 2020. We conclude our drive here in Gulf Breeze. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.